I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and grabbing a base container image. Install Docker Engine, then authenticate with Docker Hub so you can pull images. Once done, pull a small base image like Ubuntu 22.04. This ensures a consistent starting point. You do this now because having the image locally speeds later steps and it reduces network surprises. Make sure to run a test command, such as Docker images, to confirm the image exists and Docker is responding correctly. You now create and start your working container. Run Docker runit name myapp Ubuntu 22.04 to drop into a shell. This gives you an isolated environment to configure. Inside, update packages and install tools you need, apt update, apt install y, then test your app. If you want persistence, mount volumes from the host or commit the container to an image. Once configured, exit cleanly. Docker preserves the container state so you can restart. Inspect logs or snapshot the image. You finish by turning your changes into a reusable image and running it in production mode. Create a Docker file, then Docker build tmimage latest to produce the image. Run it detached with port mappings, for example Docker run dp 8080, 80mimage latest so services are reachable. If things go wrong, check Docker logs container and Docker inspect container to find errors, then recreate the container after fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: verify port mapping and container health. Networking is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.